So here's one of our favorite places right in Cortez, Florida, called Tide Tables. So they get fresh fish every single day right from their docks. And as you can tell, the weather is always very nice, even here on Christmas Eve day. So it's small, quaint, family-owned and operated, and the food is fantastic. So they're known for their grouper, and also my favorite would be their blackened fish tacos. Make sure you ask for their specialty made hot sauce as well. It's so delicious. So they live right here locally, and the dock has always got fresh fish being delivered and shows up right on their menus.